So basically, we just stopped for this scenic beauty. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Look at that. I wish I could have got my bike here and taken some majestic pics, but cannot get the bike. So I'm doing 100 and I think he's doing more than 120.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಟ ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಕೆಳಗಡೆವರೆಗೂ ಇವಾಗ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
So finally finished with the photo session. Nothing much to show here. Hey, good morning people, this is Jagdish and I welcome you to the Boy of Bangalore, my YouTube channel. Today we are heading towards Shivanasamudra. Before that, happy Republic Day to everyone. I along with my friend, he's my college mate from Shishadripuram College, Prashant.
Hello guys, hi, happy Republic Day to everyone.
So we are heading towards Shivanasamudra. Let's enjoy the ride. Happy Independence Day everyone, and I'm already ready by half an hour. With my friend we are heading towards Shivanasamudra, and we actually had planned for Shivanasamudra, but what happened is Prashant had some commitments due to which we had to cancel that. Plan, and we had planned for Koti Lingeshwara then. But later, what happened is he said, "No, let's go to our desired destination, that is Shivanasamudra." So now we are heading to Shivanasamudra again. Oh, he's revving it very nicely. We'll be stopping at Biddi for breakfast. It's somewhere around 35 kilometers. So we'll have a stop there just for breakfast. So let's meet you there. It's okay. So we are near Vidhan Sabha and enjoying this beauty with our bikes. And just for this pic we have standing here. So we have this gentleman who's going to click our picture. Thank you, sir. Brother, happy Republic Day. Happy Republic Day. We have a person with Himalayan there. He's not along with us, but then he's tying flag. So that's good. So let's begin our journey. ಮಗ ಹಿಂದೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀನು? So we're heading. It feels so good, I cannot express you. Republic Day ride feels so good with the flag on your bike and with your friends riding for a destination. Thank you so much God for this wonderful day, and I hope our journey begins and ends in a better way and we all stay happy. Had my breakfast and now heading to the destination. There's no difference in the traffic. Last time also there was a lot of traffic, even though I was a bit late that time. Now it is so many bikers. Oh my god, feels so good, you know, when you see this biking hood around you. And this flag plays a very important role, you know. I mean to say, Republic Day or Independence Day, you will find many riders who ride bike on this specific day, just to, not only to enjoy the ride but also to celebrate this festival, national festival. I'm so happy, you know, when I see this, especially on these days. You know, there's a different vibe on the road. Even if I say, you would not be able to relate to until and unless you go for a ride on these days. So that is the thing. And finally we are into Shivanasamudra, in the roads of Shivanasamudra. Look at the place, man. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Feels so damn good riding on these roads. Okay. So we have a photogenic place at that side or the other side, so we'll see there. For now we are heading towards Shivanasamudra, and it is just 6 kilometers from this place. So actually what happened is my flag stick, the thread has become loose, so it's not staying properly there. Well, I'll tie that, I'll do something for that. Okay, so that is the thing. The roads are a bit narrow. Look at the roads, how it is. But I would really advise you people, if you're coming to Shivana Samudra, when you're about like Kemdundi, Malwali, Kemdundi and all, if you're coming, or it is on the way, ride safely, because it is totally different riding in a city and riding in a village. So I think this is some temple. We're getting inside the village, so be careful when you ride there. That's all. Oh man, it's so beautiful, man. I don't know. Even this off-road kind of road feels so good, you know. When you're happy, everything seems to be good. So that is why even this Kacha roads, I'm feeling happy to ride on it. Feels good. Maga off-road ho. Off-road. So he's saying that FC is not good for off-roading, but I have a different view. I feel this bike can do anything, man. Anything. Yeah, don't ask me whether it can ride it on sand, desert and all. No, that is impossible. But at least these kind of off-road, it can take it easily. And I don't feel, you know, it's okay, it is difficult, I understand, but off-roading करने में भी इतना मजा है यार. And it is a no horn zone, I guess. I'm not sure. It says drive slow and carefully, wild animals may cross. Okay, Karnataka Forest Department, Baruchukki Balad. ಹೌದು. So we have a toll of 20 rupees. Maga idea change 100 ಇದೆ. So there's a toll of 20 rupees. ನೀರಿಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ? ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಸರಿ ಬಾ. So I heard there's no water. It used to be like this, something like this. The sad news is the person who was collecting toll, I mean to say parking fee or entry fee, whatever it is, he says there's no much water inside. So it is a sad news, but let's see. Neer elvantalo 2 kilometers. It's okay, no problem. We've come so far. Okay, so after coming till here, you would have to park your bike and then proceed further. So we are in Shivana Samudra now. The time is 11 o'clock. We left around 6:45, and due to my delay of half, say around 15,
almost half an hour
20
delay.
minutes at home and 15-20 minutes at the petrol bunk. So almost 40 minutes.
Yeah.
50 minutes delay by me. I'm sorry. Actually, we were supposed to go to some other place because this place was cancelled.
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನೈಟು ನೈಟ್ ಬಿಡಬೇಕಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, 8 ಗಂಟೆ ತನಕ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಓಕೆ ಅಂತ. ಓ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ತನಕ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಏನು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ.
This is the 5 rupees ticket, entrance ticket, what they were given to us.
So like you saw, Prashant showed us the ticket, which means we can get down to 100 steps and see the beauty very closely. That is the difference.
The very saddest part here is like water is very less. Actually, it's a beautiful place, but when it's fully flooded with water, then you can enjoy the real nature beauty here.
Barachukki alla.
Yeah.
So this is the last point where we can come. So after paying 5 rupees per person, this is the last point, and from here the view is.
ನೀರೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಗ ಈ ಶಿವನ ಸಮುದ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೇಮಸ್ ನೀರೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಟ ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಕೆಳಗಡೆವರೆಗೂ ಇವಾಗ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ
That's my friend Prashant, and he's enjoying this beauty. It's too sunny outside, so I'm standing here. I was standing for a long time there, so it's fine. Nothing much in Shivanasamudra since the water is not there, so you cannot enjoy the beauty here. So I will prefer to come next year, means this year in the time of monsoon. So let's see if that happens. I will definitely cover that as well. So finally finished with the photo session. Nothing much to show here because there's much less water. So not much water there. So I tried clicking few pics which you'll be able to see on my Instagram handle. That is the boy of Bangalore. And do follow that and let me know how it was. And that is all from Shivanasamudra here. Let's see if I can cover any other destination which is very close, and hopefully we get some water there. I'll definitely show you that. So let's go. So I just came here, I just stopped to this place. There's some water there and a mountain and a mountain there, water there, and look at this place. My god, if I would have bought my bike here, somewhere here, and clicked pictures with the background of that mountain, it would have been amazing. But sadly I cannot get my bike here because there's no way. So just for some clicks we stood here, and 2-3 pictures I've clicked. Hopefully I'll put that on Instagram. Let's see. So basically we just stopped for this scenic beauty. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Look at that. I wish I could have got my bike here and taken some majestic pics, but cannot get the bike.